For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and let's take a look at another one of those first hour trades. This is an opening gap move this morning in Constellation Brands, ticker symbol STZ. So by now, most of you know the routine. We have got our radar screen set up in TradeStation, and it is running the proprietary around the horn Baltimore chop indicator. And we see that it in fact picked up on this big gap in Constellation Brands this morning. Accurately identified it. The other one that came up was AMP, Ameriprise Financial. That was not a real gap. That was a stray tick on the open. Very, very quickly filled. No possibility of an entry there. But Constellation, as you see here on the daily chart, was a beautiful gap and fade. And of course, the logic behind that is we are using volatility band reversals on the opening range as a way of getting in front of the opportunity. Here's what it looked like first thing in the morning. In the war room, of course, we called this one as a reversal off this opening range. It was a little bit too quick to get it where we wanted it. We wanted to get it on the violation of the opening tick. That would have really made for a nice trade since we never then would have crossed above our stop loss on the way higher. Instead, we entered on the alternate entry, pull back to the closing price of the first 5 minutes, and then really had a nice move to the downside. I screwed up a part of this trade myself because I had a resting stop in at about 60 cents or so. Got me out of a portion of it with a profit and kept the balance open. Rest of the guys in the war room managed to trade this one even better than I did, and that goes to show you that sometimes the students can really get even better at this than the teacher. I got half my order lifted with about a 60-cent open profit, and the remainder we trailed down for a buck using a 25-tick trailing stop loss. So all you boot camp and Income Trading Academy guys, I am glad to see that everybody is really picking up on this one. This is a great first hour trading strategy. It can be your primary strategy if that's all you want to do is trade first hour setups. They've been going well, and it looks to me like everybody is really getting the hang of how to use the statistical pattern that I call Baltimore chop to handicap opening gap fades. So if you have any questions, send me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day, and I hope you have a good one tomorrow.